Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 17th February. Today in our GK series Today in History, we shall recall some of the memorable and important events happened in 17th February in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, please click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of questionnaires. Question number 1. Which fort was captured by Shivaji from Mughals on this day in 1670 in Battle of Singhgad, which was fought between Tanaji Malusare, a commander of Maratha Empire under Shivaji, and Udayban Singh Rathore, a Rajput fort keeper under Jai Singh working for Aurangzeb? Answer. Singhgad Fort. A Hindi film named Tanaji the Unsung Warrior is also made on this event. Question number 2. Which Indian freedom fighter born on this day in 1782 led guerrilla war against the British? Answer. Buddhu Bhagat. He was a leader of Lakra rebellion. Question number 3. Which Indian independence activist died on this day in 1883, fought for India's independence by forming a revolutionary group of Ramosi people? Answer. Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Question number 4. Which Indian writer of novels and screenplays in Hindi died on this day in 2017 is known for his first novel Dekhte Shahar and detective novels like Kaliyug Ki Ramayan and Vardiwala Gunda? Answer. Ved Prakash Sharma. Question number 5. Which year on this day first cricket match was played at Sydney Cricket Ground between Australia and England? Answer. 1882. Question number 6. Which international news and broadcast organization started its Russian language broadcast in Soviet Union on this day in 1947? Answer. Voice of America. Question number 7. Which was the world's first meteorological satellite developed at US Naval Research Laboratory, successfully launched by the newly formed NASA on this day in 1959? Answer. Vanguard 2. Vanguard 2 carried two photocells that could scan cloud cover as the satellite rotated in its orbit around the Earth. Unfortunately, third stage SLV-4 launch vehicle burn caused a precision in satellite that made the data unusable. Question number 8. Which year on this day International Committee of Red Cross ICRC was established at Geneva, Switzerland to protect the victims of international and internal armed conflicts, which include wounded, prisoners, refugees and other non-combatants? Answer. 1863. This organization won Nobel Peace Prize in 1917, 1944 and 1963. Question number 9. Which French physician and musician born on this day in 1781, whose skill of carving his own wooden flute led him to invent stethoscope in 1816, who died of tuberculosis at the age of 45? Answer. René Laennec. Question number 10. Who is Bangladeshi writer known for her novels Lajja and French Lover, and whose autobiography is Amar Mayvela had applied for citizenship of India on this day in 2005? Answer. Taslima Nasrin. Friends, if you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.